This is literally the very first indictment that has been issued against a top COVID official. The very first. We've been waiting for 6 years now, 5-6 years, to finally get some sort of justice, and it appears it is coming. It is coming. Now, obviously, this is not necessarily super high profile, like say Anthony Fauci, for example. But David was Anthony Fauci's top advisor, and he was destroying records, concealing records, evading FOIA requests, using his personal Gmail account to debunk the lab leak theory. And it was all laid out in the indictment, and now he's facing decades in prison. And so now we really hope that they start to go down the list. The Vyers Law Group has filed criminal referral requests in 7 U.S. states already against Fauci and other top public health officials. They allege they actually committed terrorism-related offenses, murder, homicide, all sorts of horrible things. And so, those requests are sitting there, and they have all the victims, all the documentation of people that were murdered by hospital protocols, thanks to these public health guidelines. So let's wait and see what happens.